Hey folks, this is Chuck, one of the bald guys over at Coaxis. We've got a great new feature that I want to talk to you about. It's called the Whiplash. Whiplash is a feature we've added to a number of our connectors for our RF cable assemblies. We've eliminated the strain relief and we have radiused the ID of the back end so there's no sharp corners. That solder joint is buried inside that connector. That's the part that breaks. We've got this for 047 and 086 cable. We've got this on SMA 2.92. Soon, we're going to have it on 2.4 millimeter and 1.85 millimeter. Coaxis has got you covered from DC to 67 gigahertz, and stay tuned, we ain't stopping there. Oh, I forgot to tell you, look at the wrench flats on that thing. This is perfect for a test setup. Heck, you want to use it in the box because it's easy to assemble? I think that's a great idea. If you want to know more, give us a call or visit coaxis.com, because when you need RF cable assemblies fast, folks, you need Coaxis. Have a great weekend.